Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with another video. This time it's going to be an empties video. Like almost everything is empty, and I have some products which I didn't use it after a time or two. I will explain you what I did with those products and why I have to do this video, because if you're gonna be a skin tone of mine, like a dark or dusky skin tone, or if you belong to an oily skin, then this is going to benefit you people. So with that note, let's get started. I don't want to blabber a lot and waste your time, guys. So first comes into my hand is this Garnier Ultra Blends. So this is in the flavor Mythic Olive, and this is for the dry and undernourished hair, they said. But my hair is not completely dry, but it's kind of a little bit dry, and so I tried this, and it is paraben free. That attracted me to buy this bottle. It's 180 ml. I used it like almost 2.5 months. I do use different shampoos, and I have dandruff problem, and my scalp is oily, so within a day or two it goes oily. So this is like an oily liquid. It looks like oil. It doesn't look like shampoo, and it doesn't have any color to it. It's just a transparent white liquid. It's not white, it's a transparent liquid. So it was really good, and I paired this with the same Mythic Olive I'm sorry, what is moisturizer? I paired this with conditioner, so I'm finding hard to get the exact words. So I paired this with the conditioner, and it was really good. I still have the conditioner, so I couldn't show up that, but this is a good buy if you have a dry scalp and you have some hair problems and all. It does nourish the hair as it claims. So, and the second one is the Ayur skin toner. You can barely see. I just used just 1 cup of it. Yes, just 1 cup of this. After that I stopped using, because I thought like Ayur, I just show you up close Ayur product. Okay, I thought so it's Ayur and it says aloe vera. Okay, let me get this rose water or skin toner. Anyway, we're gonna use in DIY, or we can just put it on our face just to clean up. But it has parabens, guys, and it irritates a lot. It's for 50 rupees 100 ml. I tried in different ways with DIYs, like I tried everything, so it is not helping me any such way. I don't know how to use this or how to get rid of this, but I just put this in my empty trash because I don't want to use this. But it irritates a lot. I don't see any benefit of it, even though it irritates. I tried once or twice, but it doesn't help me, so I just stopped using it. And this is the Kama Ayurveda rose water, pure rose water. It is really good, but it is costly. I think 250 rupees, like just a small bottle, 50 ml for 250 rupees. I can't afford this much. I just wanted to try Kama Ayurveda, and I tried. It was really good. If you can afford this, yes, you can afford. What I generally do is I just take this and just splash something on my face, and it really feels so good instantly. And you might be wondering it is done, but I still have a little bit that, but this is not Kama Ayurveda. I refilled it with the Khadi rose water. So this is my next empties. So this is 210 ml just for 80 rupees, but it's a Khadi product. I don't want to give you any such introduction to a Khadi product, so that is so good. And what I did is, after this Kama Ayurveda was finished, since this is a pump dispenser, this is not a pump dispenser, but it comes with a spill proof. So what I did, I just started refilling this, and I finished this. Even this is gonna be done. I want this, but Nykaa always runs out of stock of this bottle, guys. If you want, buy in 2 or 3 packs at a time. So it's just 80 rupees. Like if you go and get 2 packs, it's not gonna give you you're not gonna pay much money. But if you want, like, take it in a batch, not like singles, always it goes out of stock. So that is there, and Kama Ayurveda is there. And next comes in my hand is, this is Dabur Gulabari, I think. Yes, I just took that off. So I thought like I can reuse this bottle. This is really good, and the pump dispenser is also good. And this again, I think it has some paraben or some harsh chemicals in it. So what I generally do is, to take if I feel so dirty, like if I feel dust on my face, I just take this in a cotton and I will remove it, and then I will splash the Khadi rose water on my face, so that like I finish with a better product. So that's how I finish this. And sometimes I will put this rose water in my if I'm gonna do a foot soak, or like if even while before bathing, I will just put this on the bucket so that it gives some smell, right? So I like that. And the next product is a makeup product. This is Inveda BB cream, and they have two variants. This is SPF 50 and it is free from paraben again, and it is like matte one. There is another variant. I completely emptied this, and this is really good, and it is a sheer coverage, and it is for 150 rupees. And how many ml? It says 15 ml. It goes long way. But for a darker skin tone, or if you're a skin tone like mine, what you can do is, what I generally do is, I use Spinz BB cream and this cream together. I will mix it and then I will apply it on my face, because this is so thin, like Spinz BB cream. If you didn't watch my Spinz BB cream video, I will link that in the description box below. You can go and check that out. And another video with this Inveda and Spinz BB cream is gonna come up real soon. Okay, I already did that and I'm editing. So this is like of lighter consistency. It's very thin, it will slide easily, but Ponds you have to work out, like it is so thick. So I mix both, then the consistency would be good, then I will use. And again, Ponds BB cream is not for our skin tone, it's like too light for us. So then I have this from Glamit Up, and this is a charcoal face wash. This is a wonderful face wash. So like you can see, I used it in the bathroom, so like everywhere I have water, and I'm almost done. Nothing is there. I couldn't take that out, but this is so good, guys. If she's gonna give this in 100 ml or 200 ml, I love to buy this. I want to speak this about I want to speak about this to her, so I'm really interested with this. It is very soft, very, it's not like a full-on face wash. It's like a cleanser. You don't feel like you put some face wash or you're putting some chemical on your face. It feels like you just put some water on your face and you wash it, but still you feel fresh. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. And then this is L'Oreal Paris Serum. This is for the hair. You can still see I have this much, but it is expired. I cannot use it. You know what happened? This was kept inside my dryer, and since it was like at the very bottom, like I couldn't reach this, so I didn't see this and I was unable to use it. But this is a very good one, and this goes very well with my hair. And how much is this? It's 650 for 125 ml, and I bought this in 2015, guys, and still see I didn't use this much. So a little amount goes a longer way. This is a very good purchase, I would say. If you would like to buy a serum, go with this. This is a wonderful serum. Oh, I am having problems in finding words, guys. Always I have, right? Okay, let me finish this quickly. And this is Ponds face wash. This is the best and the only face wash which works for me. No other face wash will work for me, because it, like, all the face washes will gives you bubbles. I don't like bubbles. Like I think you guys understand what is a difference between bubbles and the foam. I need foam, but I don't want bubbles. Or after I finish my face wash, like it should feel like a normal skin or a normal face wash. I don't want to feel an effect of Dove soap, because I belong to an oily skin family. I want it little bit dry, like not dry, but I want to feel that oil went off my skin. So only this face wash gives that feeling. And I think you guys know the cost, like around 80. Yes, it's 83. It says 83. And this, I already showed this. Like, this is just one time use I have, and this is a Sunrise Glow D10 serum by Glamit Up again, and this is so good. I use it in the night, and when I wake up, my face is full of freshness. I will not find any oil on me when I wake up. if I use this. This is such a wonderful product, and again I'm thinking of buying this like in full tub so that I can use. And what else I have? This is Kronokare Pollu stop for the face. I think we got this in Glamego box, guys. Yes, I think it's for Glamego, and I used it so quickly, and this is really good. I don't know whether it works, but it smells amazingly, and I don't know whether it exactly stops pollution, but it is really good. Like, I feel so good and I feel happy. Okay, I used some pollution stop product. I can happily go out in sun or pollution and I'm protected. So it's like a feel good product. And another Glamit Up product, which is this eye splash, and this is a very small quantity, like how many ml? It's like 20 ml, I think. And again, I can reuse this bottle. So I have this is really good bottle and really works good. And this is wonderful ice, like the eye splash body mist. This is a body mist, and I really felt so good with this body mist, and I want body mist now. I never used a body mist before. And these are the two testers from Ayurveda. You can pick 3 testers, and you have to pay 150 or some amount for your shipping, so they will send the testers free from Ayurveda website. So I did that. I saw that video from Sona Mahapatra, YouTuber, so I tried it. And one is Kumkumadi scrub, and you can choose whatever you want. And this is Himalayan Almond Deep Cleansing Face Scrub. Both are really good, and obviously I'm not gonna buy because they are really costly. I cannot afford that much for a scrub, but if you can afford, these two are best scrubs. And what else I have? I have a lot of Glamit Up box. Some way it's turning into Glamit Up Empties. So this is a rose water toner which was sent by Glamit Up, and I finished it instantly. That was so good. And this is nothing but the Rosemary Shampoo, guys, which I unboxed just few days back, and I used this shampoo 3 times and the bottle was over. I use a lot of shampoo, guys. So, and this is already like a diluted one, so I used a lot, and it was so amazing. Since it is diluted, I don't feel like I'm using a lot, so I used a lot. So that was so good. And this is Spoil Your Body bath salt, and this is from the blush box, a pink body, I'm sorry, I dropped it, and a pink bath salt. That was really good, but I don't feel anything special with this, and I don't suggest this as a purchase because it says $4.99. It's like a feel good product. It says relaxing oils in it. I don't feel like I was relaxed after using this. Maybe it doesn't work for me. So yes, with that I am gonna finish my empties video. And probably if I was really fast and you guys didn't get this, or you want to know about some specific products which I mentioned, I'm gonna put everything in the description box below. You can put your questions or your suggestions in the comment section below, and I'm really happy to hear from you guys. And even though it's gonna be I'm open to constructive criticism, guys. So if you have any problem or if you have any concern in my videos, please do put that on the comment section below, so that I will read that and I will respond to you, and I will try to resolve that ASAP, as soon as possible, guys. And that's it for today, and thanks a lot for watching this video. And again, if you are new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.